RVT at Alderwood Vet Clinic, and today we're going to be demonstrating how to do a sub-Q injection on a cat. So there's tons of medications you might end up giving sub-Q or under the skin. Things like insulin, might be Silencia, B12. These are common medications that you might potentially administer to your cat at home. So you might want to get our cat in a comfortable position, whether that's on the couch, on the floor, on their bed, wherever they're comfortable. And oftentimes it helps to get a nice tasty treat to distract them. We're going to be giving it under the skin, so we're going to find an area with lots of skin. I find that is usually best to do sort of by the shoulder blades here. We've got lots of extra skin, not a ton of nerve endings here. So we're just going to grab our skin and we're making a tent. We'd be injecting sort of just under here. We want to make sure we're going fairly flat. We're not going down, we're not going up. We're going pretty flat, parallel to the spine. All right, we're going to prepare to get our medication ready. So we want to make sure we're removing the cap on the needle with intention. If we're too shy about it, we might accidentally poke ourselves. Just going to pop it off. And if we're recapping our needle, we're going to place it, very carefully recap it this way as to not poke ourselves. So we're going to get our medication ready as prescribed by the veterinarian. We can hold our little container up, get a little bit in there. We pull up what we need. So this would be 5 units, although this is just sterile water here. Prepare to give George his injection. See, he's pretty relaxed, which is great. So we're gonna make our tent here. We take our needle, we got our nice tent. And we're going to be placing the needle parallel to the spine. So underneath our fingers, you'll feel a little pop. We're going to pull back on our needle. So we're pulling back and we should have a vacuum. See how there's no bubbles and there's no blood. So that means we're under the skin in the appropriate spot. And then we are going to use our finger to carefully insert the medication, just like that. We can come out, make sure there's no wet spot, and safely recap our needle to put in a sharps bin. And that's how we give the sub-Q injection in a cat. And we can finish that off with a nice little treat.